friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Italian sausage on the grill. So first thing we need to do is to preheat the grill. So let me turn the burners on high. So I'm going to cover the grill and preheat it to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It will take, for this grill, it only takes probably 3 minutes. For other grills, it takes longer. So once it's 500, it's fully preheated, and we're going to add the sausages and cook them. So now the grill has been preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll uncover it, and let's add the sausage. So now I'm going to reduce heat. I'm going to reduce it to medium. And once you reduce it to medium heat, cover the grill. And we're going to, let's check the sausages in 2 minutes and just see if they're burning too quickly. We're going to reduce heat to low. Again, it depends on the grill. Some are cooking faster than others. So let's check back in 2 minutes and take a look. So now it's been 2 minutes. Let's take a look what's going on here with the Italian sausage. Well, they're actually grilling nicely. They don't seem burned. So like if they're like super burned, it means you should reduce the heat. But it seems like this heat setting is actually good. So I'm just gonna turn them over. So now they're gonna be cooking on the other side. Now, since you see so much flame, I think I'm still going to use my judgment and reduce the heat to low. So there is no hard and fast rule with grilling. It really depends. You just kind of have to get a feel for it. So I'll reduce the heat just because I saw those big flames. And once I reduce heat to low, I'm going to cover it. When you cover the grill, it just makes them cook faster because uncovered, they just don't cook as fast, so we're just going to cook them as fast as possible. They still get nice grill mark, they get grilled, and then they get cooked faster. That's how I like it. So now let's cook it on this side for 2 minutes, and then check back and take a look. So now after 2 minutes on this side, I'm going to open it and take a look again. So again, just let's make sure the bottom, nothing is burning. So again, you can flip them some more. So since at this point we don't have any big flames and things seem to be under control, so this is a good temperature. So now my heat is on low, nothing is burning, everything is cooking evenly. So I'm going to cover it again, and this time I'm going to leave it for 3 minutes, and then we're going to measure the internal temperature and see if they're cooked, and if not, we'll add some more time. So we just keep doing it until they're fully cooked through inside. So after this round of 3 minutes, I'm going to look at them and take the internal temp. Look at those sausages, they look so good. And now I took new tongs because now they're pretty much cooked on the outside. I just don't want to cross-contaminate. See, so they're nice on both sides. Looks so good. So now the only thing we need to know is are they cooked inside. So I'm just going to use the instant red thermometer. That's the only way to be sure. If you don't have a thermometer, you can just take one off and cut it and see if it's cooked inside. But let me just measure it. Yeah, that's over 165. This one was 175. So if that was not up to temp, then I would just cover it, leave it for another minute or two, and then take a look. So just basically cook them until they're at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. So let's take them off the grill. Look how good they look. Perfect. And now I'm going to turn off the grill. And let's try it. What a good looking sausage. Let me just cut it so you can see the inside. So juicy, so good. Look at the sausage. It's perfectly cooked and so moist and so juicy. I'm so excited about trying it. All right, let's try it. It tastes as good as it looks, so juicy. With such amazing deep grilled flavor. Perfect. You will love grilling Italian sausages, and it's so easy, so quick, and you can cook a bunch of sausages for a crowd if you have a big grill. Instead of 4, I could have done, easily like 12 of those or more. So you can feed a lot of people. Everybody loves them. So easy. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!